Hey guys, this is CJ Estrada and welcome to my channel. And I don't know what to do. I'm sick, Please subscribe if you haven't subscribed yet and hit that notification bell over there. And yeah, medyo taas. So, magpaubos ko. Alright. Ubos na magayo. Pero okay naman. So today I'm gonna be reacting to my first vlog. Started my vlog 1 November. November. That was my trek at Mount Naupa. And let's see. Alright. Let's play it.
Allergy sufferers, for continuous allergy relief, be wise all. Take Zysol.
It's exactly 6 p.m. and we just arrived in Barangay Gogon Chapel for our night out tonight.
Making a wish, you brace yourself for the moment when it's all gonna flip. It couldn't stop.
Hello guys. Yung music din ako sa unay. Charming. Hashtag memories.
Hey guys, we are here.
So gasogo diri ang hey guys. Awkward eh. Awkward.
All of these roads lead us back to home.
La 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 la. Char. Tahu wala ni Andy. La 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 la. Drone. Kurang kayo. Char. So, makita mo sa kong videos, sa kong vlog na rin siya hakin. Storya naman kong ganiha. Okay guys. So, medyo wala gid siya ko ang kaya yung impact, and then wala. Mura siya ka ng kuha na lang. Mura siya ka ng memories. Memories. Char. So, at least lalingaw kayo.
Karon naamo sa Naupa o sa tuwang pumuntan sa mga napila.
Ka-awkward eh.
Sa ato mga kauban, mga sila or Daoy, tao pa, mahay or lipay.
Char kayo eh. Ang kaning nga part karon kay wala kay na kuno siya na gamit karon nga mga vlogs na ko kay wala kay kuyo ganagan kay para sa ani kay nani kadaghan bitaw. So I got to interview some of them. Ask na ko if tagmay sila or nalimpay sila sa ilang track. Pwede mo try na nga style ko nga ba? Mo siya ka ng memories type nga video. Char kayo.
Ano man? Mahay or lipay. Ano man?
Pero music mo nga pala music kuan nga pon kanang Back to Home. Copyrighted song. Char. So, Moto, that was my first video, just like 3 minutes and 39 seconds. So, ito siya. Ato ta sa kanang ako ang earlier vlogs sa like December. Actually, this is my birthday last year. Ato kong si Kihor. And natingnan dyan ko kay nabot sa 1K views. So, let's watch it. So, let's play. I guess I can music eh. Kuan pa kung tiyog din ka ng pinachipmunks pa kay maikog mo sa kung tingog. Unsa? I'm off now.
And 4:30 is the first trip going to Cebulan Port. Dumaguete. Here I go. Here I go.
Alright.
Alright.
Plastic ka natulog eh.
Still dark. No signs of the sun. Oh. Nanaksan kamay. Sa mga
Awkward guy.
Here at Dumaguete Port. Going to Sikihor.
Gutom na ako.
Gutom. Yeah, mag-music eh. Wow! Minute yun lang sunrise sa ko. Sa port. Excuse. Wow! Nice ang ko ano. Pretty smooth ang iyang video kaya wala pa na ako nag 60 FPS ako ang camera nila sa cellphone na. Hey, that's Mount Talinis. Wow! Minute yun ang sunrise. Sikihor na. Ha? Ano na akong tiil-tiil?
Welcome to Sikihor. Atong lungsod, atong panggaon.
Kaya, say. Ninod ka din. Ba't di ang transition eh? Gusto ko na ko sa una ang kanang kuan kanang right ay monopod nga kanang kuan na video. La dengan dagan. Tinggal masad. Build me a buttercups, let me down. Kaya mag-music eh. Lain na mo. Ano ko na rin eh? Hindi nga false. Minsan ako kay madunggan. Happy birthday to me. Sakto. Ang famous na fish pa sa Balete Tree. Kung nag-ginok, eh di siya. Dagko yung mga isda. Ano di siya?
Bilog ang mundo.
Yutek. Pataka, uyawit. Ano the oldest church? Ah, it's the oldest church in Sikihor. Ano siya?
Kanaguba man ako pero bakit salutin na lang. I'm here at St. Isidore Labrador Church. It's the oldest church in Sikihor. Yet it's still beautiful and really holy. Nice. Nice church.
Naguba ako mo ito pa. If you know this song, comment down below. Okay? And if you like it, also comment down below.
At Kapughay Falls, going down.
Going down, down.
Kasi kanta lagi.
Yeah.
21st night of September. Love it and down. Kamugay post ba ba? Namu
Hey
mo.
guys, I'm currently here at Kampugay Falls.
Tabukan na lang po.
Hey guys, wala akong ligo, pero
Yeah, kani kagustuhan ko siya nindot ni siya. So, undeveloped beach sa Sikihor.
it's very hot. It's currently 1:20 p.m. and I'm here at Kagusuan Beach Resort. As usual, it's very silent, peaceful, but the heat is so fiery.
Ooh. 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 So na, kisa na ka-cliff jump na anis wag doon. Bang. Bang. Wala akong ambak. Awkward.
Just jumped the cliff in sa Nagdoong Beach and it was a hell of a jump.
Oh, it was a hell of a jump. Sakit ako lubot.
Pero it was nice, it was fun. It's like jumping in Kawasan Falls in Badran. Yes, and
Sipun good. Sipun good.
Hey guys, I'm here at Iwanan
Hashtag hey
Park.
guys.
Lot of mangroves around. Hey guys, it's already 5:35.
Ano hukas ko din eh.
Near night at Diamond.
Lago boy.
Here for a night. Tomorrow morning, go to work. And hours from now, it's gonna be H++. Thanks guys. See ya.
Dapat ko end credits kin ano ya, lakaw-lakaw, breakthrough. Okay, that was my early vlogs nga naka 1,000 kapin, 1,000 views. So, natingala jud ko kay nganong naka 1,000 views ko ato niya awkward kayo. Awkward kayo ang music, awkward kayo ang storya, but I think it was because of the place, Sikihor. It was magnificent. It was so beautiful there, and I actually want to come back. But yeah, I want to come back because I haven't been to their caves and then the mountain and then Mount Mandilaan. Wala ko kato. But then again, I don't know where I'll be going this birthday. If you know my birthday, send greetings. Char, muka feeler. So wanna say and this video is a bit long, so I'm gonna end it. I'm just gonna react to videos. My first vlog and then the early vlog, which is my Sikihor vlog that reached more than 1,000 views. So thanks a lot for watching the videos and subscribing to my channel, and thanks for staying. Sorry, English. Thanks for staying, and don't forget to hit like and subscribe, and see you in the next video. Bye.